Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So I just thought I'd try something a little bit different, different kind of uploading style, just recording right from my phone here. So I'm going to show you guys how much my second channel made in the last 28 days. So let's jump into it. Okay, so here is the revenue, just straight up, not going to mess around with it. So as you can see, within the last 28 days, my channel generated 34,000 views, got me 600 hours of watch time, got me 33 subscribers, and YouTube paid me $259.49. So every day it gets about like 1,000 views. Top got like almost 1,400 views there. So let's do the breakdown on the daily. So as you can see here, I made $9, dipped down to $7, $8, $12 there, $10 there, 8 there, 8, 9, 9, just mostly a bunch of like 7 through 9s with some occasional spike days like that one, $11, going to, let's see here, 8 here, 8, 8, 9, and just fluctuating back and forth, getting some $10 dates there, and here we go, and just this last bump up here with $12. Now I mostly just make like tutorials and reviews on this channel. Let's see what this looks like here. Okay, so just within the last 48 hours, this channel generated like 2,400 views. Within the last 8 hours, got almost 100 views, well, just 80 something more like. So some of my most popular videos here, just like a tutorial about transferring money, then you have like a keyboard video, how to cancel Crunchyroll, tutorial on how to replace kitchen sink. So these videos are just constantly getting views on the back end. That's why I primarily make tutorials, just easy to make, and they generate a decent amount of views long term. So there you go. That is how much my second channel generated within the last 28 days. Again, this is not to brag or anything. This is mostly showing you guys what the back end of a YouTube channel looks like.